Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The wait for Apple's next powerhouse laptop is almost over. The M5 MacBook Pro is coming, and the leaks are already shaking things up. From the expected release date and price to the possibility of an old display upgrade, this could be Apple's most exciting MacBook launch in years. But here's the twist. While the M5 promises a big performance boost, the old redesign might not land until 2026 or even 2027. So, should you upgrade to the M5 when it drops, or hold out for the old revolution? Today we're breaking down all the leaks, rumors, insider reports so you'll know exactly what to expect before Apple makes it official. Apple fans, the wait is almost over. The M5 MacBook Pro is on the horizon. Fresh leaks are spilling major details about its release date, expected price, and a surprise old screen upgrade. Could this be the most powerful MacBook Pro ever? Or is it worth holding out for the old redesign in 2026? Let's break down the leaks, rumors, and what you need to know before upgrading. Release date leaks suggest the M5 MacBook Pro will arrive in late 2025, possibly October or November. Some reports hint it could slide into early 2026 if Apple aligns. The launch with its M5 chip roadmap, this means Apple could announce it alongside the next MacBook Air refresh, or during a standalone fall event. But here's the twist. While the M5 update is coming soon, the old MacBook Pro redesign might not hit shelves until late 2026 or even 2027. Price current. 14-inch MacBook Pro starts at $1,999, and the 16-inch starts at $2,499, analysts expect Apple to keep the base price in a similar range for the M5 models. Though old models later could see a price bump, with Apple's history of maintaining tiers, expect M5 MacBook Pro pricing between $1,999 and $3,499. Depending on storage and chip configuration, if old comes early, we might see an extra $200. $300 premium, similar to when Apple introduced Mini LED. Old display, leak OLED, is the headline feature everyone's buzzing about. Apple could introduce tandem OLED panels, the same advanced tech from the iPad Pro, which stacks layers for higher brightness and better efficiency. Benefits: true blacks, richer colors, longer battery life, and thinner panels. Rumors also point to a dynamic island interface, ditching the notch and maybe even bringing Face ID to the MacBook Pro. But here's the catch. Most sources say old won't debut until the M6 MacBook Pro in late 2026 or 2027. The M5 may still ship with Mini LED while Apple preps its big redesign. The M5 chip will be built on TSMC's refined 3nm process N3P. Expect a 15–25% performance boost over the M4, with better energy efficiency, enhanced AI and machine learning acceleration for macOS and creative apps. Pro and Max versions will pack more GPU cores, perfect for video editors, 3D artists. The M5 Ultra. The M5 Ultra could be reserved for Mac Studio and Mac Pro. But the M5 Pro and Max are what we'll see in the MacBook lineup. Features and design rumors. Possible thinner and lighter chassis, thanks to old prep. Face ID and Dynamic Island are highly rumored, though not confirmed for M5. Ports should stay. HDMI SD card slot, MagSafe, multiple Thunderbolt ports. Some whispers of 5G connectivity in future models. Battery life improvements expected from efficiency gains. So, here's the big question. Do you upgrade to the M5 MacBook Pro in 2025 for a performance boost and reliable design? Or wait for the old MacBook Pro in 2026-2027 that promises a complete visual overhaul? Either way, Apple's laptop future looks exciting. So there you have it. The M5 MacBook Pro is expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026. Likely starting around the same price as today's models, while the old MacBook Pro is shaping up to be the true next-gen leap, arriving in 2026 or 2027. If you want performance now, the M5 will be a solid upgrade. But if you're dreaming of old visuals, slimmer design, and possibly even Face ID, waiting might be worth it. What about you? Will you grab the M5 right away or hold out for old? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more Apple leaks and news. And stay tuned because the future of the MacBook Pro is just getting started.